Hey guys, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Guide. This is Aditya. TNA, our daily current affairs show. I was unable to do it. You guys are aware about it. That what was the reason that why I was unable to do the session regularly. But still, I'm trying my side from my side best to give you the content, at least in the form of video, in the short video, so you will be able to cover the daily current affairs properly. So 14th and 15th of February current affairs we are going to cover in this session. Welcome to Guidely everyone, and my PDF will be available in this Telegram group, so you can join the group immediately. And UBILB interview batch is live. One more thing, UICA interview batch is also live on the Guidely platform, so you can check the details and join the batch today itself. Currently, our offers are going for the Valentine Day, that is bundle PDF course. It will be started from 399. You can check the details. Similarly, our platinum mock test is also available at good offers, so you can check the details of these. I will be moving into the session. Regulatory news पर move करते हैं. News number 1 है from the Reserve Bank of India. RBI have allowed to the small finance bank that now small finance bank will be able to offer UPI credit line facility. UPI credit line facility means if in your account balance, in your saving account, your balance is 0 and you are using UPI from your saving account. Now in your saving account, there will be a type of additional, after becoming 0 also, there will be additional facility available that you can use up to, based on your previous transaction, your bank is going to offer it. For example, based on your previous transaction, your bank offered you the limit of 10,000 rupees. So even your account balance is 0 and you're using UPI, you can use up to 10,000 rupees to do the transaction. Ab transaction kar sakte ho. Then you need to return this money back to your bank in the given time of 40 days, 45 days. This is called credit line. Credit line facility on the UPI was available for the commercial bank, for the big bank like SBI, PNB, BOB, ICICI, HDFC. But this facility was not there for the small finance banks. Now small finance bank will be able to offer this facility. This was the announcement that was made in the last monetary policy meeting, and now it is implemented. So the simple news is UPI credit line facility is now available for small finance bank as well. Not for payment bank, not for RRB, but for small finance bank it is available after the commercial banks. So commercial bank के बाद small finance bank के लिए ये available है. I hope the news is clear, right? सिंपल न्यूज है, मैंने और आप लोगों को प्रॉपरली बता दिया. However, just a second. Okay, so यहाँ पर क्या बोल रहा है? Previously this facility was available. However, small finance bank, payment bank, regional rural bank were excluded from this facility at the time. Now small finance bank included into that. अभी small finance bank को include कर लिया गया है. Still this facility cannot be provided by payment bank, regional rural bank. ये अभी भी provide नहीं कर सकते. Next है, Reserve Bank of India put fine on the Federal Bank and Karur Vyas Bank for the rule violation. So Federal Bank and Karur Vyas Bank both are the private banks in India. Both are the private banks in India. Federal Bank have been fined by Reserve Bank of India at the amount of 27.3 lakh rupee, 27.30 lakh rupee. इतना फाइन इम्पोज किया है, 27 लाख रुपी का फाइन on the Federal Bank, and Karur Vyas Bank 8.3 lakh rupee. This is the fine. So RBI duly जो routine inspections होते हैं Reserve Bank of India के, during the routine inspection RBI have found that Federal Bank was offering the saving account facility for the entities which are not eligible. For example, there is an entity which is eligible only for the current account. एक फॉर्म है, वो current account के लिए eligible है, but for that saving account facility was made available by the Federal Bank. इसलिए Federal Bank के ऊपर फाइन इम्पोज हुआ है that you are providing the saving account facility to the non-eligible candidate. Similarly, Karur Vyas Bank was failing to comply the regulatory guideline of delivery, credit delivery. Credit delivery means a type of lending facility. तो इनके जो rules regulations है regarding the lending facility, that was not followed by the Karur Vyas Bank properly. Because of that, fine was imposed on the bank as well. Fine related news are not that important, don't worry about it. Next one, Reserve Bank of India removed the restriction on Kotak Mahindra Bank onboarding the customers online. This is very important news, बहुत important news है. So on 12th of February, RBI have lifted the restriction. Actually in April 2024, because of the security reasons and non-compliance related to the IT inventory management, means Kotak Mahindra Bank was unable to maintain the proper security in the onboarding of the customer digitally. with the support of application, with the support of website, that customer wanted to open the account, customer wanted to apply for credit card, all these facilities has been stopped by the Reserve Bank of India on the Kotak Mahindra Bank digital platform. Now RBI have allowed them back. तो ये important news है, simple news है, that which of the following bank recently reapproved by the Reserve Bank of India, or RBI have removed the restriction on which of the following bank regarding the issuance of the credit card facility or online saving account facility. RBI to issue 50 rupee bank note with the Governor Sanjay Malhotra signature. So Reserve Bank of India have announced the issuance of 50 rupee denomination bank note featuring the signature of newly appointed Governor Mr. Sanjay Malhotra. संजय मल्होत्रा जी के सिग्नेचर इस पर होंगे, न्यूली अपॉइंटेड जो गवर्नर हैं. So Malhotra took charge as the 26th governor of the Reserve Bank of India, succeeding Mr. Shaktikanta Das. So previously 50 rupee notes were remain valid and continue to be the legal tender as per the confirmation given by the Reserve Bank of India. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि पुराने वाले नोट हटाए जा रहे हैं. There is no demonetization. Monetization of the new currency note, new notes will be circulated in the market as per the demand which is created by the committee of Reserve Bank of India कि भाई 50 rupees के notes की new need है. So new notes will be created in the market, will be issued in the market with the signature of Mr. Sanjay Malhotra. For instance, 50 rupee note with Urjit R. Patel signature introduced in the year 2016, and earlier notes YV Reddy sir signature in the year 2004 they were issued, and these notes will remain valid. ये notes आपके valid होंगे, पुराने notes को market से हटाया नहीं जा रहा है. Easebuzz secure the Reserve Bank of India license for the online payment aggregator. Payment aggregator is a mediator platform between merchant and customer, which is connecting the different type of payment mode to accept the payment from the customer to merchant. So that is called payment aggregator. Payment aggregators are available into three format now: payment aggregator O, that is online; payment aggregator P, proximity, offline; payment aggregator CB, that is cross border. So these are the three categories of payment aggregators which are available in India. Maximum number of payment aggregator options are available in payment aggregator O, क्योंकि सबसे ज्यादा transaction हम online ही कर रहे हैं. So payment aggregator O, recently Easebuzz got the authorization from the Reserve Bank of India, to accept the payment of payment aggregator O category. Payment aggregator Skydo Technologies in January 2025 received the approval from the Reserve Bank of India to operate as a payment aggregator CB, cross border entity facility. तो पेमेंट एग्रीगेटर क्रॉस बॉर्डर एंटिटी फैसिलिटी में स्काईडू टेक्नोलॉजीज को लाइसेंस मिला था. नेक्स्ट है SEBI unveiled Mitra portal. Mitra related discussion we have done previous also. Mitra is very similar to the Udgam portal of Reserve Bank of India. So with the support of Mitra, mutual fund investment tracking retrieval assistance. If someone invested money in the mutual fund and unable to retrieve, unable to get the information, missed all such information, so with the support of PAN number or any folio number, if they have, they are able to find out their investment of mutual fund. So Mitra is a portal which is very similar to the Udgam portal of Reserve Bank of India. It is launched by SEBI recently, with the support of which investors are able to get the information about their lost mutual fund, जो गुम गया है mutual fund उससे related. Additionally, Mitra promote KYC compliance, having investor to update their detail, reducing the number of नॉन केवाईसी कंप्लाइंट फोलियोस. तो यहां पर आप केवाईसी भी कर सकते हो, ऑनलाइन केवाईसी कैन बी डन विद द सपोर्ट ऑफ मित्रा. ठीक है, ये पॉइंट हो गया. बैंकिंग न्यूज पर आते हैं. सो इन्फ्लेशन, रिटेल इन्फ्लेशन ड्रॉप टू 4.31% in January 2025. When I will revise the MCQs, I'll give you the data of last 6 month, 8 month data properly within the session. Okay, so January month retail inflation was 4.31%, that is CPI inflation. And दिसंबर में 5.22 था, जनवरी में आकर 4.31 हो गया. So it's a good news regarding that RBI increases the repo rate recently in February. So RBI had a good base to decrease the repo rate. Repo rate को decrease किया RBI ने अभी recently, right after the duration of 5 year RBI decreases the repo rate, which will increase the liquidity in the market. तो inflation कम हुआ था, that was a good base for Reserve Bank of India to decrease the repo rate. I'm saying increase again, decrease the repo rate. ठीक है, क्योंकि inflation आपका क्या हुआ, drop हुआ है. चलिए नेशनल न्यूज पर बात कर लेते हैं। लोकसभा एक्सपेंड द ट्रांजिशनल सर्विस फॉर मोर 6 मोर लैंग्वेजेस। सो नाउ all the transitional work in the Lok Sabha will be done in 6 more languages, that is Bodo, Dongri, Maithili, Manipuri, Sanskrit and Urdu. The expansion aimed to enhance the accessibility of the member of parliament, strengthen the democratic participation. So the initiative is a part of broader effort to provide the transitional services in all 22 languages recognized in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. तो Constitution के 8th schedule में हमारे पास 22 official languages हैं, that all the official work of the Lok Sabha should be done in all the 22 languages, and Lok Sabha members of Lok Sabha will be able to perform their functions or will be able to provide their speeches in all these 22 languages with the time. As of now we have 10 languages. अभी हमारे पास 10 हैं, not 22. All languages are there in the process. Slowly Lok Sabha is increasing the number of languages. So now we have 10 languages including into that. अभी 10 language हैं, but with the time it is going to be 22. Vice President of India launches Gopi Chand P Hinduja book. Gopi Chand P Hinduja's book I Am. So recently this is a news regarding books and author because it is released by the Vice President of India Jagdeep Dhankar sir. This book become more important. So Ashok P Hinduja, chairperson of Hinduja Group, delivered the inaugural address of shedded light over the inspiration behind IM. So IM, this is a book which is compiled by Gopi Chand P Hinduja, the chairperson of Hinduja Group. Hinduja Group के जो chairperson है उनके द्वारा compiled एक book है, बनाई हुई book है. That is IM. Book name is IM. बस ये है book का नाम IM. So books and authors category you can expect this question. Shikhar Dhawan named ICC Champions Trophy of 2025 brand ambassador. So ICC Champions Trophy scheduled from 19th of February till 9th of March in Pakistan and Dubai. Right? We are aware about it. India side we are not going to go Pakistan for playing the match. So for all the matches of India will be scheduled in दुबई. इंडिया के सारे मैचेस दुबई में शेड्यूल्ड किए जाएंगे इन द चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी. सो मिस्टर शिखर धवन हैव बीन नेम्ड एज आईसीसी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी एम्बेसडर 2025. इनको अपॉइंट किया गया है. चलिए दीज आर द न्यूज फ्रॉम माय साइड फॉर द डे गाइस. मैंने शॉर्ट रखा है सेशन ताकि आपके सारे इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज में इमीडिएटली कवर करवा पाऊं. एंड मंडे मॉर्निंग आई विल बी लाइव अगेन. Monday morning I will be live again for the current affairs news, and we will be doing it regularly after that. Thank you for joining the session. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best.